Hello everyone, welcome to second term drill on SC Phonetics. If this is your first time of watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. My name is Mr. Darlington. Today we are going to talk about this sound and this sound. Are you ready to learn the sounds? Why not ride with me on this? Let's go. This sound here says E, E. And this sound says or. And both sounds are long sounds because they have two dots called length marker and also has a spelling pattern. But we are going to focus on the EE that says E and the OR that says OR and learn to transcribe them. Now let's take words having EE that sounds E. E. 1. Meat. 2. Feet. 3. See. 4. Greet. 5. Screen. Now, pronounce it again. Great job! Now, let's learn to transcribe, but first, you have to know that converting words into phonetic symbol is called transcription. And the lines between the phonetic symbols are called slashes. Simple rules in transcription. Rule 1. Don't transcribe with capital letter. Rule 2. The letter C turns K in transcription and letter K remains K. Let's transcribe words with sound E. Let's take the word see. Now the first thing to do is to write your slash, write the sound S, and you change your EE to the sound. That is the phonetic symbol to E. Then another slash. Perfect. Number 2, meat. First slash and the sound and also convert your EE to the phonetic symbol E. And also the sound T. And close your slash. Perfect. Number 3, we have screen. First, your slash, good. And also you write the sound S. And don't forget your letter C turns K. Good. And also your R sound. You convert your EE to the phonetic symbol E. And the sound Then you close your slash. Perfect. Guess you have your pencils with you. Now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to transcribe feed with the sound E. Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brilliant! Very simple, right? Let's pronounce words with sound or and transcribe. Number 1, port. Number 2, sort. Number 3, chord. Number 4, fort. And number 5, Lord. Let's transcribe words with sound or. Number 1, Ford. The first thing to do is to write your slash, then change your OR to the OR sound. And don't forget to add your 2 dots and the sound D. Then end the slash. Number 2, port. The fourth slash and also the sound P. And also change your OR to the OR sound and T. Then end your slash. Number 3, sport. The first slash, then you write your sound S and also P. And you OR to the phonetic symbol OR and the sound T. Then close your slash. Now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to transcribe dog with sound OR. Bravo! And now your home drill. Transcribe the following words on the screen with sound E and OR. And remember, don't transcribe with capital letter. And also, your letter C turns K, but letter K remains K. Cheerio! And you say